It's a great blessing and honor for me to welcome and introduce my guru, Professor P.H. Kulkarni, who is the guide for my research work. His kind, generous, warm, and spiritual persona has lit up my life path throughout. His academic qualifications are BMS from Pune University, FIIM, and Ayurved Varidhi. He has been doing Ayurvedic practice since 1961. Now he is practicing for 60 years. Ayurveda teaching in India since 1962, 59 years of teaching experience. Ayurveda teaching overseas since 1984, 37 years of international Ayurveda training. Ayurveda research since 1962, 59 years, and guided 32 PhD theses and 16 MD theses, and mine is one of his international PhD theses that I am very proud of. Worked in Ayurveda organization since 1962, is National Integrated Medical Association, NIMA. For 59 years, he served that association. He started new Ayurveda institutes, Janata Arogya Mandir, 1968, Institute of Indian Medicine in 1980, Ayurveda Academy in 1993, International Ayurveda Association in 1994, European Ayurveda Academy in 1998, editor of Ayurveda Journal since 1975. He has established a journal, Dirghayu International since 1984, Dirghayu Marathi Annual since 1983, Ayurved Shikshan Mala, Ayurved Education Series since 1978, Sahitya Anandamala since 1984. His books, almost those he authored and co-authored since 1973 are 415, and I am sure while giving this speech, next one is coming already. He has worked in many universities and state and central government Ayurveda committees since 1965. He has worked as organizer for national and international conferences and seminars, where he has been president for 50 of them in India and patron for 20 of them overseas. He has worked in Ayurveda pharmacy, Arya Aushadhi Tejamrit since 1961 and has served as president of Ayurveda Rasashala Pune from 1988 to 2002. He has invented new formulae of Ayurveda drugs, 30 of them since 1984. He has worked for many socio-medical organizations like Janata Arogya Mandal since 1968, Rashtriya Shikshan Mandal since 1966. He has been also served for Friends of Brain Injured Australia (FBI) since 1986, and he has also worked with Rotary International from 1999 to 2006. Sir, it's great honor for us to have you, and now I invite and request you to deliver your inaugural speech.
Namaskar. I am Dr. Pandurang Hari Kulkarni from Pune, India. At the outset, I wish to express my thanks to organizers of this wonderful international conference, and especially to Dr. Sharduli and Rajiv Terwarkar. Dr. Sharduli is very excellent research worker in the field of Ayurveda and medicinal plants. I also want to send my best wishes to you all for attending this conference, and you will be motivated in future for spreading the knowledge related to human health. Currently the conference is focused on sleep. Sleep, that is nidra, is very essential for health of human being. Many people all over the world are working on various aspects of the sleep, and there are many sleep disorders the practicing doctors in the hospitals they come across. We also conducted Ayurvedic medicinal plants to correct the sleep disorders, and we published those research papers in international journals. It is also published in Ayurveda Compendia, the Ayurveda Sanhita. I am sure this conference will be a landmark in the field of this particular important subject, topic, area, sleep. A person gets a good food, good sleep, good exercise, he will live happily, healthy for more than 100 years. So organizers have selected this important topic, and if person is having a daily disciplined routine, so that will help. No any changes, maybe in the environment, maybe in the dietary system, maybe at the emotional level, one will tackle it naturally and everybody will be happy. I again wish the best wishes for this particular conference, and I express my thanks to Sharduli and Rajiv for remembering me on this occasion. Be happy with good sleep daily to you all. Thank you very much. Thank you. Namaste.